never told you that you was beautiful. Brown cuticles, mind complex as a Rubik's Cube. What I do to you is treat you like a queen and chase the dream. Avoid the hate, we try and change. Black woman's love, that's none the same.
It's your girl Penny Queen. We're back with another video. We're going to turn that dry, brittle hair into this hydration majesty here using the TGIN Miracle Repair line. First up, we're using the Miracle Repair Moisturizing Shampoo made with black honey and coconut oil. Look at this. The texture on this is nice and thick. Look at the stickiness. You can tell it's going to be a really good shampoo by the stickiness of it, and it is sudsing beautifully. Like, I love a good shampoo that is suds up. This shampoo is supposed to be an intense hydrating shampoo for dry, brittle, and damaged hair. So after I have done my protective style, I like to use a really good cleanser to get all the buildup out, and this is definitely one for that. I'm using my massager brush to stimulate my roots while I am shampooing my hair to stimulate hair growth. Next up, I'm using the Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. This hair mask is uber thick and it definitely melts into the hair. I love a deep conditioner that doesn't just sit on the hair but soaks into the hair. That's how I know it's definitely going to soak up all the ingredients that it is giving me to have the best moisturizing hair. I decided to use this deep conditioner and sit underneath the steamer because I needed to add a little bit of extra moisture, being as though I took out my protective style. Now look at the difference. This is before me adding the stuff, and this is after sitting underneath the steamer. Look at the bounce. So I'm going to follow up with the Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. Look at that stuff. I wish I can get more pumps, more product out of the pump, but you don't. It's nice and fluffy and airy. It does go on the hair really nice. It's definitely moisturizing, but it doesn't have a lot of slip. It's good for moisture, but for slip, not so much. So if you wanted to detangle with this stuff, I probably wouldn't do that if I was you, unless you're just finger detangling. But it does clump the hair like it's supposed to. That's a good plus. Next up, we have the Miracle Repair Curl Food. This is my favorite product of the line. Look how thick it is and creamy. Like, this is the best thick leave-in type of stuff because it's not really a styler. It's really just a curl food, as it say. So it's supposed to just moisturize the hair. Now, I did get a good twist out from it. I did put some twists and leave those in for a few days, but look at it. Look at that clump. That is some good moisture. You can't tell me that's not some good moisture. And the product is literally going into the strands. So this curl food was my favorite product of the whole line. It gets the hair nice and smooth, and it moisturizes it like it's supposed to. It leaves shine. It gives your hair body, everything. I just wish it did have a little bit of a hold. It did do a good job for my twist out, but it wasn't really a hold. It did grow really fast after using it, but this product is amazing. I would use this under my gel, and I know my hair would be hydrated for weeks. Also, do you see how long the twists are? Like, this product elongates your twist. So that was another plus for me. I enjoyed that the twists were really long and they didn't get too shrunken. Alright guys, you reached the end of this video, and as you can see, my hair has soaked up this moisture. It's nice and soft and shiny, as you can see. This is the moisture repair line from TGIN, and it did exactly what it is supposed to do. I love a line that tells you what it's going to do, and it do exactly that. I prefer to use this line after you have taken out your protective style. You know, you've had it in for a few weeks, you've sprayed it, you oiled it, you've done all the good stuff to keep it moisturized, and sometimes you still end up with dry hair when you take it out. So this line is perfect for that. It gets you all the moisture you need. From the shampoo is moisturizing, the leave-in is moisturizing, the deep conditioner, which is by far my favorite product in the line. It's so buttery soft and moisturizing. I just love it. I love everything about this line. If you're about to take your protective style out and you're looking for a line that is going to revamp your curls after you take it out, this is definitely the line for you. So this is the end, and you already know what time it is. It's time to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment below. See you in the next one.